Yeah, big is beautiful. Lady, forgive me, I'm fat and lazy. You got some donuts we can eat? Hey there, you hungry? Sorry, I got a negative self-image. At least I got some fat to protect me from morons like you. Come on, fool, come on! Cool, but stand still. Yeah, but I hope I don't... Stand still, stand still. I got weight on... Hey, it's muscle under this fat punk. I gotta do lunch, not do you. No thanks. I'm too big. Jesus, my heart. No thanks. I'm too big to get in your house. Okay, little girl, we can get something to eat. Oh, my stomach. Oh, my stomach. You think you can deal with the fat man, huh? At least I got some fat to protect me from morons like you. Hey, it's muscle under this fat punk. This ain't for big CJ after all. You want to get flattened? Nah, my sex drive went when I got this big. You think you can deal with the fat man, huh? I'd rather do a drive-through than a drive-by. Come on, fool, come on! Come on, fool, come on! You got some donuts? We shutting down Cluck and Bell tonight. Nah, I'm starving. You prejudiced against fat people? Sorry, I got a negative self-image.